Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get a Project QT mod with unlimited coins and gems, guys. All these settings, so let's get into the tutorial. I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. So what you want to do is go to your browser and just go onto hexmods.com and find the Project QT mod. So press on it, press download. Now before it downloads, there's a verification you have to do where you have to download 2 apps, complete the instructions. They're 100% free from official app store. So it's very simple. And after you do that, there is the mod downloaded. So I will see you guys later, but be sure to subscribe. So as you can see, it says download missing files. So there's all these apps, so just pick 2 of them. So for instance, Text Now says make a 30-second call. TikTok, download use for 3 days. So you just press on it, and it'll bring you to the app store. And you just got to download it and follow instructions. So just do 2 of them, and you'll get the Project QT mod on your device. You get all the stuff for free. So I'll see you later, but be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super cool, guys, and it totally works. So if this video works, you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. It actually is 2025 approved, so get the word out. Hex Mods, just complete the verification, you should be all set. So I'll see you later, but yeah, definitely subscribe to this channel, brothers. This is insane updated mod. It's time to try. You have to give it a try. At least if it doesn't work, you can say that you tried it out, right? So yeah, this is super cool, guys, and it fully works. So I'll see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is so cool, guys, and it's a 2025 method. So get the word out. It's so awesome. Fully works. Devices are supported in iPhone and Android. So I'm going to see you guys later, but definitely go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and peace out, bro. This is wild.